In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to load Google Tag Manager onto your website comfortably and efficiently. Whether you're managing your own site or taking on this task for a client, understanding how to properly implement Google Tag Manager is crucial for tracking and analytics efficiency. So let's dive right in. First, head over to the Google Tag Manager website. Once there, if you already have an account, go ahead and log in. However, if you're new, you'll need to set one up. Straightforward process, just follow the prompts. After accessing your account, the next task is to choose the specific account and container you're planning to use. The container is essentially the collection of tags, triggers, and variables you want to manage on your site, so make sure you select the right one. Once you've chosen your account and container, you'll find yourself in the workspace view. Look at the top of the screen where you'll notice an option labeled Admin. Click there. Now under the container section, there's an option called Install Google Tag Manager. Clicking this will provide you with two crucial snippets of code. Remember, these snippets are what allow your website to communicate with Google Tag Manager effectively. The first snippet you receive is meant for the head section of your website. It's important to paste this code as high as possible within the head tag to ensure it functions optimally. The second snippet should be placed right after the opening body tag. Doing this ensures that Google Tag Manager can track and manage all user interactions from the moment a page loads. Now, with these snippets firmly in your grasp, it's time to add them to your website's template. If you're unsure how to do this, most website platforms provide access to the HTML template, or you might need FTP access to your site files. After pasting the first snippet in the head section and the second snippet immediately after the body tag, go ahead and save your changes. This step is pivotal for making sure your changes are live and effective. Having updated your website, return to Google Tag Manager. To verify everything is working correctly, engage the preview mode. This action allows you to inspect whether Google Tag Manager has been installed properly without committing changes. Visit your website while in preview mode and you should see Google Tag Manager loading as expected. By following these steps, you've successfully configured Google Tag Manager on your website. Regularly monitoring and testing your tags in Google Tag Manager can lead to greater insights and powerful data tracking, enabling you to fine-tune your site's performance metrics. Keep exploring GTM's capabilities, and you'll unlock a whole new level of website analytical performance. Thanks for watching, and happy tagging!